Good morning, everybody. It's Brian.
And Barbara.
With two Indians. It almost seems like we don't need to do that anymore, but what the heck.
But that's me.
It's a tradition, right? Yeah. Now, as you can tell, Barbara is looking amazing this morning.
Cold weather.
That's right. She is a cold weather girl. And if none of you knew this, Barb is from where?
Massachusetts.
And where is that? Where? Not where is Massachusetts, but where in Massachusetts?
Fairhaven, New Bedford. Yeah, not a Florida girl.
I am a Florida boy, or a Florida man. Today we are going on a long ride across the state with our IMRG group, and our chapter out of Sanford, Florida, chapter number 2059, is going to the Monkey Bar, which is over in Homossasa Springs, Florida, on the far west side of the coast. And it just happens to be on a pretty darn chilly day, at least as far as I'm concerned.
It's not cold.
I have my long johns on. I'm going to be wearing about 12 different layers. I got my little cap on to keep the heat in my head. Of course, Barbara's not going to be wearing this on the bike. No,
but it is cute.
Yeah. So we're going to have highs today around 60, but when we get over to the other coast, it's going to be even colder because a cold front has just come through. What was that?
I went, yay!
Oh. A cold front has just come through, and it's going to be even colder over there. I think it's a high of like 54. Now, a lot of you people up in the north would just kill for temperatures like that, but for us, this is cold riding weather. And we're also going to do an overnight in a small town near there called Crystal River, and we're going to go out for dinner and do a little boat ride. So I know you guys are going to have fun on this trip, and we want you to come with us, and I think it's going to be a blast. So, you want to come? Do you want to build a snowman?
Make a video?
Do you? Yeah.
Don't ask me to sing.
Don't ask me to sing either. Let's do it together.
Do you want to make a video?
That was probably terrible. Gosh, you look so beautiful.
The cold weather does that to me.
Yeah.
The hot weather makes me sleepy and tired, but the cold weather energizes me.
Ooh, look how cute she is. Let's go do this. Let's go have some fun. Come on with us.
Let's go.
You gotta shake it all out. All right, so it's not 60 degrees. Joe, Mr. I hate cold weather.
Man, I hate this shit. It's Florida, man. It's cold.
I'll give you two reasons why everybody looks so glum there. Number one, it's cold. Number two, someone forgot the donuts. So this is Mike, and this is Kristen, and Mike has a flat tire. Everybody's getting ready to go, but we're gonna hang back with Mike and Kristen because we have super secret plans later that nobody knows about. That's right. It's top secret.
Must be bad. We better be quiet.
Yeah. So we're gonna wait. They're gonna go, and then we're gonna catch up to them later. Well, the pit crew at Indiana Seminole County did an awesome job of getting Mike's bike done pronto, but we were still 30 minutes behind the gang, which didn't matter because we still enjoyed our ride, except for this Yahoo that was blocking my view for about 20 miles. But we caught up to the group anyway, and that's when the real fun began. It was really windy, and even though the sun was out, it was colder than a stainless steel toilet seat on an Arctic icebreaker. But little did we know that as soon as we got to the coast, it was going to get even colder. A low deck of clouds seemed to be hanging over Homossasa Springs, and temps dropped to 50 degrees, which is freezing in Florida in case you didn't know. But that never stopped a hardy group of Indian motorcycle riders from having a good time, now did it?
Welcome to wonderful Monkey Island, where we have genuine live monkeys left over from the Tarzan filming years ago.
Oh, is that where they're from?
Yeah, they got loose in Silver Springs and those can't get off the island.
Yeah, he always does this.
Selfie mode.
Is that a GoPro?
Yep, uh-huh.
It's nice.
Yeah, I got a cage for it, holds a bike up. And
Which GoPro is that?
it's an 8.
Okay,
Yeah.
I got a 6.
Yeah. Once you get to the 7, the stabilization is so much better.
Oh, really? 'Cause
Yeah,
mine's already-
yeah, shake it, yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you do? I use Premiere Pro by Adobe. We're voters. We are.
Oh my gosh.
What pizza did you get? Or are you just picking up the crumbs?
No, that too. I got the shrimp, spinach pizza.
Oh, nice.
It's really excellent. And
Yeah.
tomato. It was really.
So it's my job as the media guy for the IMRG group to take pictures and video of everybody so we can post it after the ride. And I just happen to be proud of some of these photos, so I hope you bear with me while I put some of them up here. Well, after sharing the rooftop views of Monkey Island, some truly delicious pizza, and a responsible amount of adult lubrications, it was time for everyone to head out. But we weren't going home. No, sir. We took this opportunity to head north up to Crystal River for a little bit of extracurricular activity. As if this day hasn't been long enough already. All right, so we're at the Crystal Blue Lagoon, which is this amazing little bed and breakfast in the town of Crystal River, Florida. And we've already checked in. There we go.
So
Say hi, everybody.
Hey.
Hi, everybody.
Oh, it's right on the side.
Is this totes adorbs, as a young girl would say? This place is so cool. And check it out. We are right on Crystal River. And when you stay here, you get all these watercraft right at your fingertips. You can just pop them right into the water. And I don't know if you can see it out here. This water is crystal clear. Check it out. So this is definitely old Florida lifestyle. Check it out.
Dipping, bye.
All right, I got you in the most flattering of all. This is awesome.
Are you done? I can only...
So the owners made us feel right at home with snacks and beverages. As a matter of fact, they even had the fire pit going for us when we got there. We got settled in, but there was no time to waste because we had booked a little boat ride to get out on the river at sunset. I got the camera gear ready, shot some video, and then we grabbed an Uber and headed out. Squeezed in like sardines.
Oh, suck it up, Buttercup.
I know, I'm about to wrap my arm around Barbara.
Oh, we're gonna get really intimate here.
I like it. I like it. This is the kind of weekend I was hoping for.
You are dreaming.
Right, how you doing, Joe? We're at Crystal River Water Sports. Captain Jim is going to take us out a little bit. This is a cool little place right on the river. He's going to give us a little tour. There's my lovely girl.
Hi.
Oh, we're gonna go out this way, I guess.
Oh.
Wave.
Okay.
Jim, wave. Wait a minute.
Jim really wants us to go to the bathroom.
Well, I only have 3 buckets on board, so you know we have to be a little careful. We're going on to one right.
This is our
Watch
girl
your
for
step.
today. Thank you. Cowboy boots are welcome on this boat.
I think I married a gypsy every couple of years to move again. Until we got up here.
Well, Captain Jim gave us a much better than typical tour of the waterways of Crystal River, loaded with one-liners, mythical tales of manatees, and of course he tolerated all manner of shenanigans from the crew. I didn't turn it on. I got plenty of batteries.
likely
We're going to have to
excuse.
do another shot.
Okay.
Or we can just
Excuse.
pretend.
Yeah, we should make it. It's all about authenticity.
Yeah.
As cold as
Didn't you just say it's better when it's natural?
I would.
cold as it is now, you're not gonna pretend.
Yeah, I wouldn't want my viewers to think we were cheating. All right.
Oh, give it to her first.
Don't pull it away.
Ah, thank you. Oh, that's what she wants.
You want some milk?
Gotta get every little drop.
Did I jip you, honey?
It's okay.
Or did I put too much in?
No, a little.
Oh, well, come here.
It's okay.
Bring it here.
She's the one that's got a cold.
Bring it here.
A little.
It's too high. I couldn't see it. Okay.
Okay.
Hang on. Just so everybody knows, we got the good stuff. All right. See, we did this before, but I forgot to turn the camera on. All right. Cheers. So we get to do another shot.
Well, at least it's standing upright. You might have spilled
Most of it's
something.
still there.
You might have spilled something. It's standing upright.
I still got some.
I'll get it. It's too bad I don't drink tequila. That'll be maybe your introduction to the Two Indians channel. This is Kristen.
So did it?
He taps
Did it
his knee.
spill
and dropped it on
after
the floor.
when you dropped
It
it?
spilled first, and then it turned
okay.
back and
Okay.
went down and shot up.
It shot up, and yeah.
And we're not going out in this winter.
Look, from this point forward, anytime you're
We can't be on the bow.
you,
Not every time.
you will always be on camera.
No, she wasn't when she was riding.
Bow if we're not moving, or no?
If you want to, yeah.
No, let's not go up there. It's too small anyway.
Ready?
You ready? All right.
Shiny side up.
Shiny side up and down. Here we go.
Salute.
Casa
Good
Amigos.
tequila.
It really is.
You guys are drinking good tequila. I'm drinking mediocre whiskey.
That is your fault.
Yeah.
And the place down there, at the usually right around the 1st of May, they had what was called the Bartenders Weekend. Bartenders Week. And all the bartenders at Miami and Fort Lauderdale were invited down because all the liquor distributors were giving them away.
Oh, really?
And Jägermeister had a guy that walked around with a big tank on his back with a spigot. giving out shots of Jaeger. And I went, whoa. I'm sitting there running a boat going, no. These people are so smashed, it's ridiculous. You know, and it was really funny because they'd have a bikini contest. And it was all the strippers out of Miami and Fort Lauderdale. They didn't know what a bikini looked like. You know? It was, wait a minute.
A piece of string and 2 pennies.
That's a napkin.
Yes. All right.
It's all good.
You can take us back.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
You want a picture of the 4 of us?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do a selfie.
Oh, sure. Sure.
You've never done that before, have you?
Oh, no, I've never done it.
Can you come near me?
All right, guys,
Just drag
ready?
people down.
Yeah. Loopy. Everybody say loopy. Loopy.
All right, I got 3 or 4.
Thank you.
Hey, don't be giving my wife the wood, okay?
Man, if she asked for it. she said more.
Yeah, that's the plan. Oh, that was good. All right, kind of stand like behind the bikes. Yeah.
Closer?
Yeah, we got to be closer. Yeah. Should I put my thing on?
No, you're good.
Oh boy.
I would do something. There's an image to uphold.
I was like, yeah, your hair is all kinds of places on the boat.
I was like, you didn't tell me we were on camera.
All right, guys. So it's about 9:30 Sunday morning. It's what's the temperature?
43 degrees.
It's 43 degrees, and we are about to head across state back to Orlando from Crystal River, where we have had an amazing time, right?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Yeah, great.
So, Mike, what was your favorite thing this weekend?
I think definitely where we went to eat. The seafood cellar.
Seafood cellar, yeah.
Outstanding.
Okay.
a couple magic tricks in there.
Yeah. Yeah, so we went to this restaurant called Seafood Cellar, and that's cellar like somebody sells you something. And the owner came out, and it's kind of like a Cajun New Orleans style seafood place, and the owner came out, and so the battery died right in the middle of all that. So the guy was doing magic tricks, and just, it was a lot of fun, and we had a great time there, I think.
You guys got a cold start.
Yeah, yep.
Did you sleep okay?
Yeah, it was great.
Did you go
Yeah.
so early?
No, that's
Get much
okay.
time.
That's okay, yeah.
Y'all ready to
One
go?
of your people that was staying here, the young couple, said one of your bikes is
Floated across the
floated
river.
across.
Oh, crap. Okay, well, I guess it wasn't tied down. We have a loose bike. Somebody will find it and haul
Wasn't
it back.
me.
It wasn't
Yeah.
us. Y'all have a safe day.
All right,
Thank you.
See ya.
That was
my-
the owner of the Crystal Blue Lagoon. Anyway,
So my favorite, I would have to say, I enjoyed the boat ride.
the boat ride.
Yeah,
Okay.
I really did because I just like being out on boats.
Yeah,
so.
that was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh,
And how
I-
about you, Chris? Oh God.
Dropping
What?
the tequila.
I'll just spill tequila all over the place.
Yeah.
My favorite was walking into this place and just how unique it was. Like, I was pleasantly surprised. You guys did a good job. and finding it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I mean, you just look on Google and go,
But-
that looks cool.
Never heard of it. It's awesome.
Yeah.
It's a cute little place. So
It is
unique.
really good.
Yeah.
It's really nice. Definitely recommend it. 2 thumbs up.
Yep.
Yep.
But so overall, guys, it was a great weekend going to the Monkey Bar and then coming to this Crystal Blue Lagoon bed and breakfast. It was fantastic. And then going out on the river. I mean, it was a busy day yesterday. Right? We didn't break. And then an Uber from the dock over to the seafood cellar. And then, you know what I really liked was sitting by the campfire last night.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we sat by the campfire last night, had a couple more shots.
Swapping stories.
Yeah.
It was definitely a good weekend. So
Yep.
we hope you guys can come on another trip with us again.
Definitely. I
soon.
Yeah,
can't
that'd
wait.
be great. And we know you guys are going to come on another trip with us too. So look forward to seeing that, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. You gotta wave. Did you wave? I didn't get to tell. 2. Oh yeah, you gotta do this. 2. 2.